Good day guys, I'm Sanchakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in Auto-CAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, first we draw this circle which have the radius of 10 units. And we draw this circle which have the radius of 15 units. Like this, and we draw a line of 65 units like this. Now we select these two circles and with the copy tool we copy it. And now we make the offset 65 units. And we draw a line here and select these circles, and with the copy tool we copy here. And we change the layer like this. Now we draw this circle which has the radius of 30 units, and with the 10 radius we draw this 30 units. And with the trim tool TR double enter we trim it. And delete this circle. Now we make the outer shape. First we draw the circle which has the diameter of 40 units. Diameter of 40 units like this, and we draw the circle here with the diameter 40. Like this, and we draw a line here and trim this circle. Now we draw a line here with the line tool, press F8 and click here. Now we trim this circle and read it. Select this line. With the mirror tool we mirror this line and click on no. Now we trim this circle and delete it. With the TR double enter we delete this circle, and with TR double enter we trim this. So guys, in this way we make this shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.